Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English Beginner 8, New York. Today, we'll learn how to ask yes-no questions using is, are, have, can. For example, is Molly in New York? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. You will now watch a short movie with two friends, Angela and Molly. Angela lives in New York. Molly visits Angela and asks her several questions about New York. Let's watch.
So this is New York. What's it like to live here?
It's very busy and exciting, and there's a lot to see and do.
So is it a cultural place?
Yes, there are some great theaters and art galleries.
And is the weather nice?
It is today, but it's best in the fall. It can rain too much in the spring, and in the summer, it's very hot.
Can you tell me why you like it here so much?
Well, I like living in such an international place with so many different people and so much history. And there are some beautiful parks and buildings.
When were these apartments built?
Around 200 years ago. Mine was built in the 1800s.
Have you always lived on the same street?
No, actually. I've lived many places in the city.
Molly asks questions with is, can, and have. The answer is either yes or no. Is Molly in New York? Yes, she is. Can Angela tell Molly about New York? Yes, she can. Is the weather usually nice? No, it isn't. Have you visited the new museum? No, I haven't. Now let's look at clips from the movie and try to answer some of Molly's questions together. What was Angela's answer? Fill in the missing word.
So is it a cultural place?
Yes, there are some great theaters and art galleries.
So is it a cultural place? Yes, there are some great theatres and art galleries. Let's try another one. What was Molly's question? Fill in the missing words.
And is the weather nice?
It is today, but it's best in the fall.
Is the weather nice? It is today, but it's best in the fall. Wonderful. Now let's try some more together. Have you visited the museums? Yes, I have. Wonderful. Today we've learned how to use yes-no questions using is, are, have, can. Can you understand yes-no questions now? Yes, you can.